Where's my chicken nugget?
Well, what nugget?
You think you're big man? You think you're big man lying to me straight into your own friend's face? You know that nugget that said Twigs Nugget on this singular tray with the singular nugget? We've had this before with the chicken burger. So where is it? Where is my nugget? Have you eaten my nugget?
No.
Where is my nugget? Where is my nugget?
I don't...
Nuggets! Twigs Nuggets!
I don't know.
You're more thick than mud, child. Where is my nugget?
I don't know what nugget you're on about.
You wait, boy. You wait. I'm gonna hurt you.
What?
Ricky! Where was my chicken? I was gonna be fucking licking. Now that you know, no pussy come to you, no, you only come out snow. You're so small, smaller than your junk. You're one gross bull, nobody wants to make you spunk. I can see my dish is gonna make you cry, so I'm gonna be fucking fly. Brandan over here, he's hairy and big. Next to us, you look like a pig. That's what you get for messing with Twig. So, bitch, please, what you gonna do?
We're gonna settle this how everyone else sets it on YouTube. We're gonna have a boxing match.
I don't want to box you, bro.
Yeah, but think about it. Think about how much money...
Boy, I am gonna kill you with my fists. I hope you are ready.
Hi, my name is Ricky Sach. This fight will be sponsoring the charity that is very close to my heart. Can we have the camera up here, please? This fight will be sponsoring a charity that's very close to my heart. The mistreatment of cups. Every day, you just see people using cups and just throwing them about. So you see people using cups being stained. Please, send this fight some money so you guys can help the mistreatment of cups. Thank you.
Ladies and no women watch this. Gentlemen, welcome to the YouTube event, the boxing event, the match of the century, the biggest internet thing we've ever had. And here in the boxing ring today, we have the man, the myth, the fucking house, Twig. Grrr, grrr, and Ricky's here.
What?
Yo, his name's Midget. We're calling him Midget. All right, guys. All right. Now, is there anything you guys want to say to the people at home?
Knock knock.
You like cock?
Yeah, I do. And so do you.
Did you assume my sexuality? Did you?
Did you? No, guys, go. No. I said get in your corner. Wait. Now get in your corner. Now go. Okay. Are you guys ready for this? Come back in. Come here. Shake hands. Shake. You fucking stop. I regret giving you the good intro. Alright, you're right. And 3, 4, 6, 1, go!
I can do whatever I want to do to you, boy. I'll do whatever, you know?
I believe that's a knockout!
You're a bitch. And Jamie, you're a bitch.
Jamie's a bitch! Jamie's a bitch! Jamie's a bitch!